If you have an entrepreneurial spirit, you can make money out of everything, even out of thin air. Do you want to be free? Go to the sea! I think we are finally making money. I would like to go on a journey all over the world. Those are just dreams. I have no money anyway. I'm getting a headache looking at the prices of the travel agencies. Don't even look. It'll just upset you. Stress makes your brain work better. Money, money. How can I earn enough? Mary is coming up with brilliant ideas. So, the first option, become a therapist. Listen to other people's problems. Not for free, of course. 1 minute costs $5. It's not an easy job. It's so hard to listen to someone suffering. So the high price is understandable. Plus, the client has access to a unique service, a soft shoulder on which you can cry your heart out. Time goes by. Finally, the session is over. The client calmed down, and a nice bill goes into the therapist's pocket. There are always so many tears after the therapy sessions. Come in. Who's next? And here's another idea for a small but profitable business. Hey! Organize a service for renting friends. $10 an hour. Kylie has enough money, but somehow she doesn't have any friends. What an excellent database! Friends for every situation. Oh, this is what I need. She has an unconventional look. Compared to her, Kylie will look like a movie star. Here's the money. Now call the friend. There's a guy involved. Introduce your boyfriend to your pal. She won't be able to compete with you. A weird hairstyle, acne, she probably has no chance. Although, you were wrong. She knows how to flirt, and she's not wasting any time. It seems like you underestimated her. Besides, she's pretty on the inside. This is an outrage. I'll write a bad review. Give me back my money, and give the boyfriend back, too! Sophia also knows how to create job opportunities. A few spectacular sporty selfies, and you can present yourself as a fitness trainer. Post it in your Instagram story, and wait for the clients. It seems like this girl is interested after she saw the ad on Instagram. A personal trainer? That's exactly what I need. Okay, I'm going to send her a message. Here comes the fitness coach. Good morning. Wake up. Sophia is determined. And we'll start our morning with a nice run. Hey, keep up. No, I'll catch up with you from behind. Finally, the finish line. No, you need to earn the finish line. And now, workout machines. How about the pull-up bars? Oh no, not the bars. Then push-ups. 1, 2, 1, 2. But she doesn't seem ready for the Olympics. Sophia has a lot of energy to spare. Fitness coaching isn't just about going to the gym, but also proper nutrition. Cucumber and water? Is that it? Yeah, enjoy your meal. This diet is so intense. And the coach deserves to be rewarded. This is a dream job. However, the client decided to outwit the coach. Pepsi? Sausages? No way! You shall not pass.
Aww.
I'll get you healthy no matter what. I wonder what else Mary came up with. It looks like she's going to walk pets. Not for free, obviously. And here's the first customer. Hey, Pay first, then I'll walk your dog. You can hug the dog, play with him, and get paid to do it. Here's another fluffy client, a little rat. Go into your little house. Mary is the best nanny for pets. She planned everything, and here's the third pet. You can't pet him without gloves. But Mary is an experienced pet sitter. So, babies, are we going for a walk? Ice cream is probably the most popular dessert in the summer, especially in the park. There are always really long lines here. So here's an idea for how to make money. You just have to sell a place in line for the ice cream. Just organize everything thoroughly. Then you will have plenty of customers. What do girls love to post on Instagram? All kinds of things! A photo with flowers, a handsome guy, or an unusual gift. What if you rent out props for a photo? Do you like this business idea? We'll set up your photo for you. For a small fee, we give you a posh bouquet. And a car with a personal driver. Smile! Of course, the photographer is included in the price. You can also get more props. And as a background, add a very cute guy. And here he is. He is so handsome. All my followers will be so jealous. Sometimes a big teddy bear is enough. Hashtag gift from Bay. And here's another business idea, car washing. But Mary has an innovative approach to cleaning. Don't be ridiculous, a bucket and a rag, that's all it takes. Let's see what will get more money, Mary's idea or the old-fashioned car wash. Mary starts to work. Her polishing is spectacular. The driver's never seen anything like this. There's a lot of customers. And her colleague is not that lucky. Her client is super picky. This time, it's not easy to get the money. But Mary is doing great. You just have to choose the right customers. And don't forget about the creative approach. A big city, a shopping mall, and a scooter. Well, where can I park? There is nowhere to leave my scooter. That's a problem. But here's Mary with a special service. Watching your stuff. Pay per minute. So smart and so convenient. Guarding someone else's scooter for money? Sure. Why just stand there if you can make money on it? Now just hope that shopping will take a while. After all, Mary is counting every minute. And here's another idea. Charge other people's gadgets. The equipment is simple. And there will obviously be plenty of customers. Modern smartphones die so fast. The huge portable charger wants to help. What a relief! You can charge your phone without even getting off the bench. Very convenient. Looks like the girls' hard work paid off. They have the money they need. Yay! Their dream is almost coming true. They just have to get on the plane. But, bad luck. All the flights were canceled. What? We wanted to go to the beach so bad. Oh, it's okay. These girls can find a way out of any situation. Pictures from the plane can be taken with the toilet lid. And the poster on the wall will be perfect for pictures from the beach. And don't worry, we will definitely go on a real vacation. Someday. Did you like our startup ideas? Which one did you think was the most interesting? Tell us in the comments. Give this video a like, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell so you don't miss new videos from Troom Select.